Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna be learning about the chart patterns and how to use it correctly. Okay, so try to watch the complete video to get the full information. So we will be starting. Okay, so we will start by drawing the chart patterns, like which is the important chart pattern you should know. Okay, so the first chart pattern you should know is the M pattern, that is also called double top. Okay, this is the M pattern, and if if this level is break, and after a retest you actually take a trade and you actually ride this swing. Okay, so this is the meaning of this chart pattern, that is called M pattern. Okay, so this is the level, and if market break this level, so after retest this level, on this level this is your entry point, and this is the swing you actually ride in this chart pattern. Okay friends, so this is the first chart pattern, and the second chart pattern, which uh, is uh, is the W pattern. Okay, this is actually the reverse of M pattern. This is also called double bottom. Okay, so this has been drawn in this way, and this is the resistance level. Like if the resistance level breaks, market breaks after retest on this level, you take the entry at this point, on this particular point, and this is the swing you actually write. Okay, so this is the meaning of this W pattern. This is also called double bottom pattern. Okay, this is the resistance level. This market breaks this level, and after retest on this level you actually write this particular swing. Okay, so this is the meaning of this particular W pattern. So we will talk about the third chart pattern that you should be knowing, is the cup and handle pattern. Okay, so that is uh, I would say this has been drawn in this way. Like this is one structure like cup, and this is their handle. Okay, and this is the resistance level. If the market breaks this level, and after a retest on this particular resistance level, you actually make the entry at this particular point, and this is the particular swing you actually ride. Okay, so this is the meaning of this cup and handle pattern. Okay, this is the level which market breaks, and after retest on this particular level you ride this particular swing. Okay, so this is the third pattern, and the fourth chart pattern you should be knowing is that head and shoulder pattern. Okay, head and shoulder pattern. So this is one shoulder, and this is the head, and this is another shoulder, and this is the support level which market breaks. Okay, so market breaks this support level, and after retest to this support level, this is your entry point, this is your particular entry point, and you actually ride this particular swing. Okay, so this is the level which market breaks, and after a retest to on that particular support level, you makes an entry, and this particular swing is your you actually ride. So this is the meaning of that particular head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so the next pattern you should be knowing is inverse head and shoulder. Okay, that is the reverse of that head and shoulder pattern. That actually means, so this is one shoulder, and this is the head, okay, and this is another shoulder, okay, and this is the resistance level which market breaks. And after retest on this particular level, you makes an entry and you write this particular swing, okay. So this is the meaning of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the resistance level. After retest, you makes an entry on this particular level and this is the particular swing you write. So this is the meaning of that inverse head and shoulder pattern, okay friends. So friends, coming to our next chart pattern, that is called triangular pattern, okay. So market will be in the triangular shape. Let me draw the triangular shape, okay. So market will be like this. So market will be in this particular triangular shape, and after breaking up, market take retest, and this is your particular entry point and this is the swing you actually ride, okay, in this particular pattern. Or on the other hand, if market breaks in the downward direction and after retest you mix an entry towards downward, and this is the particular swing you actually ride. So this is the meaning of this particular chart pattern, that is also called symmetrical triangular pattern, okay. The last chart pattern we should be knowing is the channel, the parallel channel, okay. Let me draw the parallel channel, okay. This is the parallel channel and market will be in this parallel channel. Market will be behaving like this, okay. Market will be taking the support from this level and resistance from this level, okay. In this way market actually behaves. So you can sell from this point and you actually buy from this point. And there is other two condition which market does, is that if market breaks in the downward after retest, you actually makes an entry at this point and this is the swing you actually ride, okay. So this is the another way of trading. And if market breaks toward upward side and after retest, we ride this particular swing, okay. Your entry is actually at here, okay. This is like market breaks this level and after retest you makes an entry at this point and this is the swing you actually ride. So if you have learned this much chart pattern, so that would be enough for you to trade in this market, okay. So coming to the main point which I want to tell you is that 90% of the people, they don't know to use the chart pattern correctly, okay, correctly. What the people do, they use this chart pattern in intraday, which is wrong according to me, okay. According to me, try to use the chart pattern in the longer time frame. If you use these chart patterns in daily or weekly time frame, so you could actually make a huge amount, I would say, by doing a swing trading, okay. Let me show one example to you, okay. This is the channel pattern which I have just taught to you. This is the parallel chart pattern and I have told you that market always takes support from this level and take resistance from this level, okay. So if the market comes to this level, try to buy from this level, okay. The market has almost given 1000 point run, Okay, so that is a swing trading you could have done, and the huge target or huge money you could rather make, I would say. So try to do the swing trading, try to learn to do the swing trading using the chart patterns, so that would really help you a lot. This is my honest opinion to you guys. Okay, let me show you one another example. Okay, this is the chart of crude oil, you can see, and you can see how beautifully crude oil has following this chart pattern. Okay, this particular triangular pattern which I have just taught to you. Market always takes resistance from this level and always takes support from this level. Okay, so you could have bought from this level, and you could have sell to this level. Okay, so this is the level of buying, this is the level of buying, this is the level of selling. So in this way, you could have make a huge money. Okay, using the chart patterns in a longer time frame. So I hope this video helps you a lot and you have learned something. And honestly, this is my honest opinion. Try to do the back testing of this particular thing which I have just uh, taught you. Okay, this is my belief that definitely you will be getting a good result after some time if you master this thing. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Take care, have a good day.